Vishal Shekhar, for a musical, the hero is the music. How have you ensured that the soul that we have lost for 30 years, the PDL show, is freshened up, but everyone will fall in love?
That's exactly what we've done. It's so this is not DDLJ. This is an adaptation of DDLJ. So hopefully the soul is intact. That's what we try to keep. We try to keep enough of it that it makes you feel like it tugs at your heartstrings, takes you back to the time when you watched the film, but also that it gives you a new experience.
I think Vishal and I both are huge fans of DDLJ. And when Nell wrote the book, the adaptation, and the way the songs came out of there, and the interaction with Aditya Chopra, and the way we got into every single scene of it, it was done with so much of heart and so much of love. So that it's turned out really, really special. So we can't wait for the world to see this.
How wonderful, and I can't wait to see it as well. But quickly, am I safe to say that this could be one of your first music?
This is our first musical.
And
I mean, all our films are musicals, of course.
no.
It's our first musical theatre.
Yeah. So how is it different from the film and talent film? What have you learned?
When you make a song in the studio, you record the song, then you give it to the director, he goes and shoots the song, and you've given it away. Here the song lives every single day. You can make changes, you can kind of do stuff, you can kind of, everyone sits in the room together. It's a very interactive process. It's very inclusive. So I think the whole magic of theatre music is everyone coming together and making a change, whether it's a choreographer or whether it's the director, all comes together and makes the music out.
Basically what it is, we taught the child to walk over the last couple of months, and now it's time for the child to dance on its own. That's the way of it. This is something you don't get to do with film. We didn't get the aspect of the show. The music is the definitive factor of the show, but of course, it makes more Indian. The soul of DDLJ carries through. We've been trying to be true to that, true to what Vishal and Shekhar do, true to what Aditya Chopra has as a vision, true to what people would expect from the show. But most importantly, we've been having a really good time.
So fabulous, and I'm sure we will have as well. In 30 years, love has changed, huh?
Love has changed?
No.
No, love has not changed.
No?
Love is the same.
Acha.
Yeah, love is the same. The way people see love, see today DDLJ has fans across the world, and we all are big fans because we feel the same love. Love is not different. But here, what happens is this love will unite the entire world together.
Beautiful. Yeah, that's exactly it.
And it had brought the cultures together, so we really want to have it last year. And certainly last bit, Grand India tagline.
Grand India.
Grand
Grand India. Come fall in love. India's arms are open for everyone. We're a nation of love. We're a country of love. And I hope that is something that resonates through our music.
Grand India tagline.
Come fall in love. I think the thing is the reason we did the name. So when you saw DDLJ when the film was released, the tagline was "Come fall in love." If you remember back then.
Yes.
So we've continued that tagline, and we believe in it very strongly that love in every color, love in every shade, the world gets better when a new friend is there.
Oh, wonderful. And I love the way you took your glasses off to say, come fall in love.
I can't see without my glasses. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Lots of love.
Thank you.